Well, without further ado, so it's a strobe rocket, but it's got a banger on the end of it that's got red falling leaves. So if it does right, those fuses, the falling leaves are fuses, but if those fuses do what they're supposed to, it should look like little snakes flying around. So I call that warhead a Medusa, but it'll either blow or go. This is my best fuels. Can't guarantee it's going to make this, but high performance is high performance, guys. Please like and share if you like these videos. Here we go. Oh no, no warhead.